Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about adding elegance and charm to your living space's parquet flooring. If you're considering upgrading your floors or just curious about what parquet flooring is all about, you're in the right place. Everything you need to know about parquet flooring. So, what exactly is parquet flooring? Well, it's a type of hardwood flooring made from small, individual wood pieces arranged in geometric patterns. These patterns can range from simple designs like herringbone to more intricate ones like chevron or basket weave. Different parquet flooring patterns. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of parquet flooring by exploring its types, features, aesthetic appeal, and the amazing benefits it brings to your home. Types of parquet flooring. First up, let's talk about the types of parquet flooring. There are two main categories: solid and engineered. Solid and engineered parquet flooring. Solid parquet flooring is made from solid wood pieces and offers the authentic charm of natural wood. On the other hand, engineered parquet flooring consists of layers of wood topped with a hardwood veneer, providing greater stability and resistance to moisture. Features of parquet flooring. Now, what makes parquet flooring stand out? Let's explore its key features. Firstly, durability. Parquet flooring is renowned for its durability, making it an excellent choice for high-traffic areas in your home. Secondly, versatility. With a wide range of patterns and wood species available, you can customize your parquet flooring to suit your unique style and preferences. And lastly, sustainability. Many parquet flooring options are sourced from responsibly managed forests, making them an eco-friendly flooring choice. Aesthetic appeal of parquet flooring. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of parquet flooring. One of the most captivating aspects of parquet flooring is its timeless beauty. Whether you prefer a classic, traditional look or a more contemporary vibe, there's a parquet flooring pattern to complement any interior design style. Benefits of parquet flooring. And finally, let's discuss the incredible benefits of choosing parquet flooring for your home. Firstly, warmth. Parquet flooring adds a cozy warmth to any room, making it especially inviting during the colder months. Secondly, easy maintenance. With regular sweeping and occasional mopping, parquet flooring is easy to clean and maintain, saving you time and effort in the long run. And lastly, value. Investing in parquet flooring can increase the value of your home, making it a smart long-term investment. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about parquet flooring. Whether you're drawn to its timeless beauty, durability, or eco-friendly nature, parquet flooring is sure to elevate the look and feel of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.